The best place is like right over here. All you have to do is make a parting and make a clean one. Now place the extension over there, close the clip, ruffle your hair, and ta-da! You can use a straightener, you can use a curler, you can do whatever you want with them. Just make sure you comb over so that it blends in perfectly and it looks perfectly natural. Over time, yes, but these are 100% real human hair, which means you can recolor them. That depends on your hair volume actually, but I would go for 4. One over here, 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 and then here. It just takes 20 seconds, trust me, to get ready with these highlights, and they make you look so fabulous and different depending on your outfit. These are like my regulars, so I really recommend them. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.